हेलो दोस्तों, मैं हूं जतिन चौधरी, ईचाई का को-फाउंडर और ये है रेडियो एलजे 90.8 एफएम। ये हमारा प्रोग्राम है बातें स्टार्टअप की। आज का एपिसोड थोड़ा स्पेशल है क्योंकि ख्याति ब्रह्मभट्ट जो ईचाई यूएस लीड करती है वो अहमदाबाद में है। सो ख्याति, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर जॉइनिंग इन।
No, thank you so much for having me, Jatin.
हाँ, तो आज हम थोड़ा जानेंगे कि ईचाई यूएस में क्या करता है, कैसे स्टार्टअप फाउंडर्स उनसे जुड़े हुए हैं, और अगर आप स्टार्टअप फाउंडर और सैन फ्रांसिस्को जाना चाहते हो और कैसे आप रिसोर्सेज को नेविगेट कर सकते हो। सो ख्याति, कब आए आप?
Last night.
हाँ, तो जेट लैग है अभी।
Of course, yeah.
अच्छा, सो बट थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग फॉर दिस पॉडकास्ट। ख्याति, टेल अस अबाउट योर बैकग्राउंड। आप अहमदाबाद से ही पढ़े हो ना?
Yes,
हाँ,
yes, yes. I'm born and brought up in Ahmedabad. I am an engineer by education. I did my master's from Dhirubhai Ambani Institute. After that, through campus placement, I went to Mumbai, worked there for 5-6 years. Got married, moved to Bay Area, Silicon Valley. Lived there for more than 16 years now, and have been working as an engineer. Around pandemic, I pivoted from engineering to product, and now I'm leading a product and growth at a startup.
ओके। और ईचाई की जर्नी के बारे में बताओ कि हाउ यू गॉट इंट्रोड्यूस टू ईचाई, कैसे एसोसिएशन हुआ अपना?
Actually, Icha has been the most satisfying and adventurous journey for me, and I'm so grateful that it happened. Little bit of background that I was visiting Ahmedabad last year. I mean, this year, earlier this year, in February, and I happened to meet Jatin because he's my husband's junior
Junior.
from Nirma, and we happened to meet. He invited me on a panel. The event, I think, went decently well, and I happened to tell Jatin that, hey, let me know if you want to do something in SF. And then Jatin, as if he says to everybody, yeah, let's connect, let's stay in touch, we'll see how it goes. But a few months later, I think he actually took me upon that, and I'm so glad you did. And since then, the journey has been like, of course, because the EHI community is also growing exponentially well in Silicon Valley, but also my association with Jatin and EHI has been the most adventurous and fulfilling.
Wow, awesome. अच्छा, so tell us about the first few events that you did. हाँ, आपने बहुत मेहनत करी, मुझे पता है। अब you will reach out. So tell us an experience that, आप इवेंट कैसे किया, किन किन लोगों को इनवाइट किया आपने, what happened?
So I think we started really small, and that's how every community grows. So we started small. For the first event, we had 6 founders came. We had a social at a cafe, and since then, with every event, I would say, of course, Jatin has been the constant guidance, and I am also learning the ECHI format with every event that we do. And from that, I think now we do events at one of the largest communities and one of the biggest venues in Bay Area. And the event scale is something that is surprising to everybody in Bay Area now. So ECHI is a very common name in Bay Area, and I'm so I mean, sometimes I feel really proud that what we have achieved in this much time, it's
Yes.
unheard of.
Yes, tell us the formats that we do in SF.
Oh, we do a lot of formats. Just like ECHI, if anybody knows already, we do a lot of panel discussions. So we have now tie-ups with major companies, just like Zoom headquarters. So people do meetings on Zoom. We do events at the Zoom headquarter. We also have tie-ups with a lot of universities. For example, Draper University, SJSU, San Jose State University. We also have a lot of companies who tie up with us. Startup incubators we do events with. So panel discussions happen where we invite the industry leaders from the dream companies like NVIDIA, Meta, DocuSign, Google. So every other big company that we dream company, we have builders from those companies. Other than panel discussions, we also do a lot of different experiments, and some of them are very constant also. But we did one experiment called a food truck founders event, which has become a hit from the first event itself. For the first food truck event, we had like 60 founders, and that format has been super phenomenal. But other than food truck events, we do socials where we meet in cafes. We also have very highly curated dinners where we have like literally handpicked every guest, and every guest has a seat at the table because there is a reason for it, or maybe somebody has recommended for it. So we have highly curated dinners. We also do board games. We also do hikes. We also do casual events. With that, we also have now another stream that is popping up really well. It's Women in Tech event. So imagine, right, the entire world population, 50% are women. But when you go into the corporates, the scenario that dynamics is not the same. It's undivided. But when we started Women in Tech event, and I was so surprised that the level of women support came for each other was amazing. So and I'll also share, if possible, one of the event incident if we have time. But yeah, I'm very 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 grateful for that event to be getting more traction.
ओके यस एंड दैट इज़ वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट. एक तो होता है कि इवेंट से वो टॉप ऑफ द फनल जैसा होता है कि बहुत सारे लोग इकट्ठा होते हैं, दे गेट टू नो ईच अदर. सो दोज हु आर न्यू टू द इकोसिस्टम उनको थोड़ा अच्छा लगता है कि भाई नाउ आई एम पार्ट ऑफ इट. फिर एक टाइम आता है कि दे वुड लुक फॉर मोर थिंग्स दैट एंड दे वुड लुक फॉर अदर थिंग्स जहाँ पे उनका स्पेसिफिक. सो हाउ दोज थिंग्स आर वर्किंग आउट?
So one thing that I keep hearing is that they want more and more events. Due to my bandwidth or logistical challenges, we are doing a lot of events right now already, but still it's not enough. Now I think we have to go beyond Silicon Valley, or maybe we need to have in Silicon Valley city-wide chapters. So for example, somebody said, hey, I live in Dublin. Can you do something in Dublin itself? Like every week there should be something in Dublin. Every week there should be something in Mountain View. So I think that's the scale that we will go forward from now. And as I always
हाँ,
tell
प्रीमोड में
everybody,
सरप्राइजिंगली वी गेट लॉट ऑफ
Yeah.
थिंग्स कि आप यहाँ पे इवेंट नहीं करते.
नहीं करते हैं. So I think that's the next logical step for us.
ओके. और अपने ने एक कैंपेन किया था, द फर्स्ट वेलकम इन सिलिकॉन वैली.
Yeah.
So tell us your story. What was your first major welcome? Somebody ना जिसने आपके लिए doors open किए, and stories about other people that have shared with us.
Yeah, so I think that chapter also was like really, really heartwarming because we think that Silicon Valley people are very technological and not very warm. But if you go and read between the lines and understand the story behind them, people are actually very warm, very welcoming, and there will be always somebody who has actually hold your hand, helped you in some way or the other. And most of the time, these people you found in events.
Yeah.
So if you're new in Silicon Valley, or if you want to make your name in Silicon Valley, I would highly recommend you start going to events, because one of the other person will hold your hand, will give you that support that you need, and will take you forward.
For you, who was that person?
So for when I went, I think it was the lowest time in US economy. So there were not enough jobs. Of course, the immigration laws were not really good. So there was one person who actually said that, okay, we will file your H1, because of course for me to work, I needed immigration support. And he was the one who actually took a bet on me. And then without even finding a project, he actually filed my H1. And then he said, okay, we'll figure out about the project. I know you can do it. So we first filed H1, and then we found the project.
Nice.
Yeah.
और अभी बहुत सारे स्टार्टअप फाउंडर्स होते हैं ना, विद दिस राइज ऑफ AI बूम. बहुत सारे फाउंडर्स ऐसे जा रहे हैं.
Yeah.
And they are trying and they get overwhelmed.
Yeah.
इतनी सारी चीजें आ रही, हर एक इवेंट थोड़ी अटेंड कर सकते हैं. कैसे वो लोग नेविगेट कर रहे हैं? एनी एग्जांपल्स दैट यू सीन, और व्हाट वुड यू रिकमेंड पीपल?
Yeah, I think it's very simple. As you plan your itinerary, you have to plan how you want to navigate through SF Tech world. Of course, there will be a lot of events. The problem in SF is there are too many events at the same time. So which one you want to attend, or which is the right fit for you? That's the process of elimination that you need to go through. So first is events. Second is you have to talk to a lot of ventures. And these ventures also have a lot of events. But what you want to do is you want to have a one-on-one with those ventures. So first, again, there are general ventures also. There are very vertical specific ventures. So you have to first understand that who is the right fit for you. Do some matchmaking in that.
By ventures, you mean VCs here?
VCs here, yeah. And then try to meet them if possible, and schedule those meetups in advance.
और अभी बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं कि फाइनेंशियली इट बिकम्स वेरी ट्रिकी टू मैनेज,
Yeah.
क्योंकि इट इज़ बहुत सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिलती है, लेकिन द कॉस्ट ऑफ लिविंग, द कॉस्ट ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट बहुत थोड़ा ओवरवेलमिंग हो जाता है. तो व्हाट डू यू रिकमेंड फाउंडर्स हु आर ट्रैवलिंग टू फिगर आउट?
So I think when founders come, as I said, optimize your time. Because if you have optimized your time and done the time management well, one or the other opportunity will give you the biggest ROI, which will pay for entire logistics or the entire trip. So make sure that you plan well. And that's
So
the
plan
best
better for the
plan,
outcome
yes.
than the optimize for the
Yeah.
cost.
So one example I'll give you. There was one founder who was there to meet a lot of other founders and VCs. But when we asked for, like, when we were talking, the pitch deck was not even ready. And he said, okay, I'll go back and I'll send you the pitch deck. I was like, no, first prepare your pitch deck. First do whatever you need to do for the product or the things that you're going to talk about. And then go in and set up the meeting. So some basic things that you need to do, checklist एक बना लो. उसके हिसाब से you can go and plan about it.
Okay. And we did an event in Toronto also.
Yeah.
So tell us how it went.
Oh, it was amazing. We had Abhishek Jain, who is a movie director. We also had a VC, Neha, and that it was my first time experience. जो जतिन हमेशा हर रोज करते हैं कि being in Silicon Valley, I was hosting an event in Toronto. So we had a host, we had guests, and we had attendees coming there. And I was like, entire time I was nervous. And by the time the event was over, when I heard that it was a hit, I was like, okay, that's a relief. But that was a first-hand experience for me. What you go through every day.
हाँ. So what changes आपके माइंडसेट में क्या चेंज होता है? एक तो होता है ना कि आप होस्ट करते हो, आप कम्युनिटी चलाते हो, तो यू नो कि कैसे लग जाने वाला है. लेकिन जब रिमोटली आप करते हो तो what kind of experience you go through?
See, I think best thing is what I learned from that is, in my head, I had a lot of baggages. I'll be very upfront about it and honest about it. That for event you need this, you need that, you need proper venue, you need a host, you need to do this, you need to do that, you need to figure out the food, you need to figure out the mic, the sound system, and whatnot. But to actually host a good event, you don't need any of that. That's what I learned. You can do everything by not worrying about logistics and by not worrying about the entire the dependency on it. So that's what I learned.
Okay.
And that's how Ichai is scaling also.
Correct.
with this-
वही हमारा हाइपोथेसिस है.
Yeah.
कि आपकी बात में दम हो तो माहौल अपने आप बन जाता है.
माहौल अपने आप बन जाता है.
Or which are the other exciting organizations that people, when they go to San Francisco, they can be part of, or the communities that you would be part of, or you are aware about? What are those organizations?
So there are a lot of actually those organizations, and again they are very active right now, and especially I think this last few years with the AI boom and everything, they are also getting really good traction. So if any founder is coming to Silicon Valley, I would highly recommend एक तो they can look for the Progressive Venture, जो कि Mala Ramakrishnan, again female founder, 2 times exits, and then female VC now. So she's doing fabulous job. So if anybody wants to come to Silicon Valley, want to make name in the Silicon Valley, make good contacts, I think they should reach out or attend their events. Another is A16Z. They are also doing really good events. Anybody else?
The Excel Partners guys do.
Excel partners are also doing great. Then Founders Funda करके एक community है. They are also doing pretty well.
Yeah.
उनकी events में 500 founders होते हैं. So
हाँ, correct.
Yeah.
There Srisha's event
yeah.
that you spoke about.
Yeah.
Or you are a part of a very exciting startup also.
Yeah.
Tell us more about it.
Yeah, I am leading product and growth at a company called Rocket. We are a vibe coding, vibe solutioning platform. The way we are positioning ourselves is right now there are so many tools out there, AI tools especially, and AI tool fatigue is real. For any software development lifecycle, you are using more than one tools at a time. So rather than using so many tools, you can just use Rocket, use vibe coding, which will solve basically day 0 problem, which is ideation, day 1 problem, which is building, whether it is a prototype or a software or an end-to-end solution, and the day 2 problem, which is scaling. So you can solve day 0, day 1, and day 2 problem all in one with Rocket.
Yep. And with Rocket, they have office in Palo Alto. So tell us about the geography of Silicon Valley.
Yeah.
Silicon Valley sounds, but you live in where? And tell us about what are these exciting hotspots there.
So Silicon Valley is basically a Bay Area, which is on the other side of the Bay, and it's I think a U-shaped valley. So we have a lot of pockets. Of course, Mountain View, then there is Palo Alto, which is also a hub. San Francisco is a world in itself, where a lot of VC firms are there. And anytime you have a tie-up with a VC, there is a very highly likely that they will have office in San Francisco. So you will see a lot of founders living and having an office in San Francisco. So then Palo Alto, then Mountain View, then of course Cupertino, where the Apple headquarters is. So all these these places are amazing for anybody. If they are in the tech world, they want to be around those places.
ओके और एक चीज़ होती है कि जब अगर स्टार्टअप फाउंडर हो तो आप जब नेटवर्किंग करोगे, अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ देखोगे या राइट लोगों से अलाइन करोगे, बट यू विल वांट टू लिव अ गुड एक्साइटिंग लाइफ आल्सो. So you need art, culture, scene. So you are very active in the social scene there also.
Yeah.
Tell us more about it.
So that's why I also when we talk about events, I have been doing a lot of community events since 2010 in Bay Area. I do a lot of Gujarati community events, of course other communities also. I have been a radio host, a radio jockey for more than a decade in Bay Area. And through that also we used to host a lot of events, big events, concerts, Garba nights, everything. So I have been part of this event management ecosystem also for a while.
So Ichai was a natural extension of that.
Yeah. It's just that I was not doing the tech events. With Ichai, now I'm doing the tech events. And so it came naturally to me.
Okay. And any question you want to ask me? We'll make it a Ichai exciting.
Everybody asks you the same question. Jatin, how are you doing it? Tell us the magic sauce, magic secret about how are you able to scale it to this level with such a lean team?
हाँ तो एक तो होता है मुझे बहुत मज़ा आता है और कुणाल और मैं 16 साल से वी आर दी को फाउंडर्स, उसको भी बहुत मज़ा आता है. सो दैट इज़ द फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट ऑफ वाई वी आर. दूसरा मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि हम लोगों ने फ्रेंड्स अच्छे बनाए लाइफ में, जो जनरली एक लेवल पे अटक जाता है लोगों का. वी डन गुड दोज थिंग्स वेल एंड दैट्स हाउ you are associated and like there are a lot of people in a lot of other cities. So वो थोड़ा बहुत मुश्किल होता है क्योंकि पर वो क्यों आता है. आई डोंट थिंक देयर इज़ अ फॉर्मूला. इवन आई ऑल्सो हैव कि ये 5 चीज़ें हम कर रहे हैं इसलिए ऐसा हो रहा है. एक तो वी एब्सोल्युटली एन्जॉय इट एंड वो थोड़ा फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल थिंकिंग वाला अप्रोच थोड़ा ज़्यादा है. मुझे लोग आगे फंडा दे के लेके जाते हैं कि आप ऐसा ऐसा करो, पर मैं थोड़ा आप जो भी मेरे को आर्गूमेंट दे रहे हो उसका थोड़ा बड़ा करो और थोड़ा बड़ा करो, देन इट विल कम टू व्हाट ईच आई इज ट्राइंग टू डू. तो और दूसरा वेरी एफिशिएंट इन लाइक दैट वाज द आइडिया. इवेंट के बारे में अपने ने बात करी कि कम रिसोर्सेज के साथ कैसे एग्जीक्यूट करो आप. आई ऑन द प्राइस, मेन चीज़ पे मेन चीज़ रखो. तो वो फंडा मुझे लग रहा है कि उसकी वजह से हो रहा है. बट एक तो वो है कि हमारा अप्रोच, पर मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है मार्केट बहुत बड़ा हो गया कि ईचा ही नहीं, बहुत सारे और भी लोग बहुत स्केल कर रहे हैं. हमारा इंटेंसिटी ज़्यादा, तो हम एक साथ 10 कंट्री में कर रहे हैं. बहुत सारे लोग जो स्केल हो रहे हैं वो थोड़ा रिस्क शायद कम लेंगे. वो अगर जर्मनी में उनका पार्टनरशिप नहीं है तो जर्मनी जाने में थोड़ा खिचखिचाएंगे. अपने ऐसे थे कि भी चलो बर्लिन में भी कुछ कर सकते हैं अपने. तो मार्केट बड़ा हो गया है और अपना इंटेंसिटी, उसकी वजह से मेरे को लग रहा है कि इट इज़ वर्किंग आउट.
So every time I am hosting ECHI event in Bay Area or Silicon Valley, I take a lot of proud in saying that कि India में every metro city we have ECHI presence. Not only metro cities but even smaller cities, towns we have presence. Not only that, we have presence in many other countries also, and in those countries also many cities. So now that you have visibility on all those ecosystems, what is the difference or the patterns that you see? For example, let's just say Ahmedabad compared to Bangalore, compared to London, compared to Dubai, or compared to Silicon Valley. What patterns or what differences you are observing?
मुझे बहुत अलग लग रहा है हर एक जगह पे. जैसे आप अहमदाबाद के एग्जांपल लो, क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग अहमदाबाद के लोग सुनेंगे. अहमदाबाद में भी बहुत सारे लोग अलग अलग एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं कि जो पब्लिक इवेंट्स होते हैं, जो लोग उसमें आते हैं, उनके लिए इकोसिस्टम का एक्सपीरियंस अलग होता है कंपेयर टू वो लोग जो सिर्फ जिनका एक स्केल हो गया तो पैनल में आते हैं. तो सेम चीज़ का उनको एक्सपीरियंस थोड़ा अलग होगा कंपेयर टू समबडी हु इज जस्ट अटेंडिंग एन इवेंट. सो दैट इज़ वन थिंग कि डिफरेंट पीपल एक्सपीरियंस द सेम थिंग इन अ डिफरेंट वे और डिफरेंट स्टेजेस. और हर एक सिटी में ऐसा. तो डिफरेंस बिटवीन अहमदाबाद ऑल्सो वुड बी ह्यूज कि जो लोगों के लिए ईचा या इकोसिस्टम अलग होगा कंपेयर टू समबडी हु इज जस्ट स्टार्टिंग अप, डिपेंडिंग ऑन उनका क्या नीड है. और दूसरा इन टर्म्स ऑफ स्किल सेट, मेरा ऐसा मानना है कि जनरली टेक इकोसिस्टम में मोर और लेस एवरीबडी एंड्स अप बिहेविंग वेरी सिमिलरली. स्किल वाइज तो बहुत डिफरेंस नहीं है कि जैसे Rocket is a great example. The founders are Surat based.
Yes.
They are as good as anybody in Silicon Valley in the category that they are working in. Difference मुझे थोड़ा लग रहा है कि थोड़ा ambition और intensity का होता है. कि कई बार क्या होता है कि आप थोड़ा कुछ काम करो, आप हर जगह पे जाके नहीं बोल पाओगे, वो कॉन्फिडेंस कम आता है. So those who come from a ecosystem where there are less people, emerging ecosystem, they tend to wait for more signals and then they'll have that confidence कि I'll go full throttle about it. People in established where the pool is bigger, support system is bigger, they go full throttle. So that's why जो founder 3 साल में any similar work, similar things, a founder in a bigger ecosystem, they'll grow much further compared to a startup in a shorter time. पर अभी ये साइकिल हो रहा है कि नाउ देयर आर एग्जांपल्स के जिनके बेस अच्छा थे, वो लोग बेटर कर रहे हैं इन लॉन्गर रन,
Yeah.
क्योंकि जो लोग बहुत जल्दी भी ग्रो कर रहे हैं वो सस्टेन नहीं कर पा रहे,
Hmm.
क्योंकि वो हायरिंग कॉस्ट आता है, ऑफिस का कॉस्ट आता है, और जो लोग स्मॉलर से इकोसिस्टम में अप्लाई कर रहे थे, नाउ दे हैव विजिबिलिटी, राइट, पीपल कैन ट्रैवल. तो अभी तो ऐसा नहीं है कि वो एवरीबडी इज इन अ सेल.
Hmm.
आप अहमदाबाद बेस्ड हो तो भी पूरी दुनिया ट्रैवल कर ही सकते हो आप. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि अहमदाबाद बेस्ड फाउंडर is immune, is not having access to the resources of San Francisco.
Yeah.
And that's a recurring theme with us. A lot of people in Ahmedabad traveling to San Francisco.
Yeah.
So that Ahmedabad, जो भी benefit San Francisco तो अहमदाबाद फाउंडर ले ही रहा है.
हाँ.
Plus that founder is उसको वो भी बेनिफिट हो रहा है कॉस्ट आर्बिट्रेज वाला, कि बहुत सारी चीज़ें सस्ते में हो रही है, क्योंकि फाउंडर तो हर तीसरे महीने यूएस जाता ही है.
Yeah.
हाँ, तो वो एक जबरदस्त एडवांटेज आ रहा है. पर कई बार क्या होता है कि इफ़ यू आर इन द मिडल ऑफ द इंटेंसिटी थोड़ा कम होता है. यहाँ पे 50 एक्साइटिंग 100 एक्साइटिंग होंगे, वहाँ पे 1000 एक्साइटिंग थिंग होंगे.
Yeah.
तो वो मेरे को थोड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा है.
I think on that note, I would also add that the thing that I have started noticing is lot of founders who are visiting from India. They are, of course, first they start with, okay, I'll spend few weeks, a few months in Silicon Valley, and then come back and bring those learnings back home, and again build on that, work with the team in person, and then again travel back. So a lot of traveling back and forth between Silicon Valley and India that happens. But with that, I think they have also figured out the immigration side of it also. So there is something called O1 visa.
Yep.
So now I see a lot of founders applying for O1 visa, getting the O1 visa, which basically gives them a benefit first for traveling and second for scaling their business in Silicon Valley.
Correct.
And now we have Echai with Echai. We also have tie-ups with those immigration firms and lawyers who can actually help any founders coming from India. So next time any founders who comes from India, we have the entire ecosystem, and then we can help you with lot of other things.
Correct. Awesome. और like in all this रेडियोलॉजी वाली सीरीज में पॉडकास्ट में किसकी स्टोरी आप सुनना चाहोगे इस पॉडकास्ट में?
So I would also say your story,
मेरा story-
Jatin.
मेरा स्टोरी है ना थोड़ा बोरिंग हो जाता है, मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है, क्योंकि मैं यही आंसर देता हूँ, मेरे को बहुत मजा आता है, विच इज अ ट्रू आंसर बट डजंट साउंड वेरी एक्साइटिंग.
So I would. So me being in RJ, I have interviewed a lot of celebrities. I know how to get things out. So I will not the surface level. I think when we talk, I think I'll get more.
हाँ, we'll try to do that in part 2.
Yes.
But thank you so much, Kathy, and we did a short, nice interview. We'll do much larger one later.
Yeah. The pleasure is all mine. Thank you so much for having me. I have been like doing a lot of Echai events in San Francisco. This is the first time now I'm in Ahmedabad doing events and doing being part of Echai ecosystem. It's extremely humbling. Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you.